Welcome to the Minnesota First LEGO League Challenge Coach and Video Series by High Tech Kids. In this series, we will cover information coaches will need to be successful in guiding their team. Please take advantage of these training resources and don't hesitate to reach out with questions. We hope these videos give you a strong foundation for your FLL coaching career. Video 3, Team and Event Registration. Team and event registration is a two-step process, and teams will need to register with both FIRST and with High Tech Kids. While FIRST and High Tech Kids are partners, they are completely separate entities. They do not share employees or finances, and their registration systems are not connected. With that being said, in order to participate in a Minnesota event, all teams must be registered nationally with FIRST before registering with High Tech Kids for a local event. Step 1, National Registration with FIRST. FIRST will open their national registration portal on their website in mid-May. Typically, national registration will stay open until March or April of the next year. However, to participate in local events, teams should be registered in the fall. To find out more about how to navigate the FIRST registration system, go to the FIRST National Registration page on the High Tech Kids website and watch the video, How to Create a New First LEGO League Challenge Team on the FIRST dashboard. During the national registration process, coaches will need to sign a consent and release form, complete youth protection training, and agree to a background check. Note that while the form will ask you for your Social Security number, it is not needed, and payment for the background check is also optional. Event registration with High Tech Kids happens in October. At this time, teams will register for one event. Teams may choose the competitive route and sign up for a regional qualifier, or they may choose the recreational event. Note that the recreational events are structured in the same way as a regional qualifier. However, the teams will not advance to the next level of competition. Please be sure to have all the necessary information before registering for your event. You will need a paid national team number from FIRST, your coach's name and email address, your team's name, and be sure you have an appropriate form of payment. The High Tech Kids system accepts Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and ACH payments. Unfortunately, High Tech Kids does not accept paper checks or purchase orders. Event registration will happen at 3 o'clock on the High Tech Kids website. Navigate to the FLL Challenge page and choose Minnesota Event Registration. From there, you can choose either the regional qualifier registration or the recreational event registration. Once chosen, the events will populate. If there is an administrator paying for your team, be sure to have them put the coach's name and email in first. Your payment information is entered later. It is very important to have the coach information entered first because this is how our system correlates the main person and email to a team. And this is where all the event information emails will go. Please remember that teams are not registered for an event until payment is submitted. And once submitted, an email confirmation will be sent to that main coach's email. This confirmation is your receipt of payment. Mistakes happen. And if you make a mistake, please call our office so we can help make corrections in real time. Event registration is taken on a first come, first served basis. To make the process smooth, read the registration page ahead of time and be sure you have all the necessary information ready to go. Have multiple dates in mind that work for your team, just in case your first choice is full. To help us out, remember that when entering your payment information, be sure to enter the correct address and zip code that corresponds with your credit card. And finally, if your first choice event is full, register for one of your alternate dates and contact us via email immediately with the date you prefer to be added to our wait list. Thank you for coaching. High Tech Kids is here to support you and your team. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions you might have. And thank you for watching our third video, Team and Event Registration. The next video in the series is Required Forms. See you there.